What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic, and thank you for tuning into this video. This is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be a sneaker trade. That is right. This is the shoe that I'm going to trade some random dude online. I don't know. He seems like he really wanted the Air Jordan XXXV's gravity colorway. He actually has the shoes that I want, the Air Jordan XIII Cherries, the white red 2017 retro. My old pair was what, 2010, 2011, but it's beat, it's old. I missed out on the 2017 retro, and I'm not gonna wait until freaking Jordan Brand releases another one in like 5 years, or it could be next year. But no, this is the gravity colorway. It's actually kind of sexy. Ooh, fresh, unworn, brand new. This stupid expensive Chinese foam still intact. Oops, I just took it out. I don't care. Put this back in the box. That guy won't know. He says that the shoes are new. Well, like new. But then he's starting to tell me all these random stories. Like, oh, he may have worn it outside casually and then to work out. And I'm just like, can you send me a photo of the bottoms? Because you're getting me kind of worried. He didn't reply back, but we're going to meet later on today. I really hope this guy's not going to flake out. But I don't flake. Yeah, I really got to think of something, though. I kind of like these shoes, and I like the cherries. I got a good idea. I'm going to give him my old cherries. All right, we're going to swap out the gravities. I'm going to keep the gravities for myself. Yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Yo, what up? You got the shoes? Yeah. Nice. Go take a look at these. These are sexy, man. They're sick. Okay. Yeah, they're fresh and orange, man. Okay. Screw it. Check this bad boy out. Eclipse 2.0 plate. Zoom Air bag, you can see it. Sexy materials. Oh yeah. Air Jordan 5 inspired. Woo! This is so beautiful. Herringbone traction. Oh yeah. This is an awesome trade. The guy got ripped off. What an idiot! That guy doesn't know anything. How can you not even check the shoe in the box before you finish the trade? I don't care. I got my Air Jordan XXXV gravities, and I also managed to run away with the cherries for this trade. I got two shoes. I gave him my old ones. My old Air Jordan XIII white reds kind of looks like this, but not really. All right, guys, enough jokes. Let me know your thoughts. Did I take an L or a W in this trade? I think I took a big W because I wanted this so badly. I missed out on the 2017 retro. There's a bunch of other shoes that retro back then. I missed out on all of them. Thank God I didn't miss out on the 2018 He Got Game release. But this was my first colorway of the Air Jordan XIII back in 1997 when it released. Holy moly, that's why this is a must-have for me. This has a lot of memories. I wore the old ones, the OGs, to death. And the most recent retro after that was actually this one, 2010, 2011. Still here. It's okay. I wore it for ball, and then I stopped wearing it for ball because I'm like, you know what? I didn't get the 2017. I need to save this pair of shoe. But now that I got the 2017, all I need to do now for this is just clean it up, touch up a little glue separation on the sides, and just wear this normally. And this one, I'll try to wear it as lightly as possible. My buddy, he's cool. He said that he only wore this very casually outside. It's still in very good condition. There's no toe crease. A little minor glue, little separation. Not a big deal, but this is fresh. A little strand of hair. Yeah, that's kind of gross. I'm trying to smell it, but I don't want to. I'm going to have to clean the inside of the shoe because it's a But yeah, shout out for my buddy for doing this trade. Actually, both of us took W's. He wanted a performance Jordan shoe. He liked the Air Jordan 34s, and he missed out on the 35s for the gravity colorway. And I happened to actually have a brand new pair, and I was going to wear it for inside, but I'm like, you know what? With COVID and the gym freaking closed, no chance to do that. I'm just gonna wear my other color, which is the Hoi Hachimara. And yeah, he's happy. He tried the shoes on and he actually liked how it fit. The cushioning is good. Everything is thumbs up, good. So he took a W for his part. I took a W for my part because this is what I wanted. And now I don't have to worry about the future Jordan retro release of this again. Maybe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years. But for now, these shoes are gonna last me for another 10 years. Ew! I hope that's not blood stains. All right, I really have to clean the inside of the shoe to get rid of the odor. But let's do a side-by-side comparison. Now the Air Jordan XIII, 1997 is the OG release. This represents the sexy Black Panther's eye, the hologram Jordan right there. The new one, they're all the same, copy and paste, nothing special. Material-wise, I would say the 2017 leather actually feels better. The cut, everything is very, very close. Let's look at this. This is the 2010, 2011. You can tell by the yellow, nasty tongue. Sadly, the leather on both of them, it's actually very, very cheap. It's fake. Fake suede, fake red suede all around the shoes. The dimples, they represent the whiskers of the cat. The bottom represents the paws. And of course the bottom there, the midfoot, you got that sexy carbon fiber. I'm glad that the new ones actually kept the OG style. It is gray back in the days. This one, they use black and white. Another difference would be the front Jordan tab. The new ones, if you look behind it, it actually has a Roman numeral 13. While the old ones, it is just a gray Jordan. Don't think you guys can see it. It don't matter. The inside is pretty much the same. Oh my god, my pair is really yellow. Old ones, black insole. The new ones, white insole. Glued on, so it's very difficult for you to remove. Man, I was gonna clean the insoles too. Damn it, I don't want to remove the factory glue just to clean the insole to get rid of the stinky odor and some random hairs. When Jordan first introduced this shoe, I fell in love with the triple stitching. Oh my god, the detail is crazy. I used to admire the photos on the website. They would be like showing a close-up of the He Got Games 13s with the triple stitching, and I'd be like, triple stitching. But that was me back then. I was weird. I was a kid. I was 14. Don't blame me. Heel and forefoot Zoom Air low profile cushioning. These are freaking comfortable. I'm just going to wrap this video up with one last comparison side by side with my face in the background. Hold on. This is kind of gross, but I'm doing this for you, YouTube. It's not that bad, actually. Okay. He said he only wore it once, right? Okay. Doesn't smell like it.